For referencing, the sensor should have a distance of 80 mm to the reference artifact. Open the project tree until you see World, Referencing, Reference Check. There you can open the measurement view by double-clicking on the folder symbol right to Acquisition Reference Check. Once the sensor transmitted a profile, you can see the X and Y deviations of the measured reference positions to the one stored in the project. To eliminate the offset, write the values of the measured reference position to the X and Y offset in the scanner preferences where you entered the network settings earlier. Once the offset has been corrected, check it by once again triggering the scanner, either by repeating the referencing program or by activating the live acquisition by clicking the red dot in the upper left of the measurement view. Now the referencing should be in tolerance and thus the measurement results should be highlighted green.